A warm hello to all of our Hope Church family.
And greetings. I just cannot believe 3 years have gone by so fast. We've made such great friends here and just felt like we really love the community and love this church.
Yeah, as we come to the end of 2009, Jennifer and I are also finishing our third year and continuing to really feel excited and called to helping lead you and partner with you in fulfilling God's mission here at Hope Church. And it's been a great year. We've seen God do some very exciting things and in the whole work of changing lives. And I'd like to share a few of those with you in the weeks to come in these short video highlights that we're going to send out. You know, I have a very unique perspective being the senior pastor because I get to hear and see and experience probably a larger slice of life at Hope Church than any of you do individually. And so I think you're going to be really blessed to open up and to watch some of these interviews we're going to do with a couple of folks and to hear just how God has been at work in changing lives at Hope. You know, one of the most exciting things I've been doing recently is leading our new members class. And as new people come into the church, it's so fun to hear what they have to say about us at Hope Church. Three things I hear constantly. They say, people at Hope Church are so loving, and they really reached out and cared for us. And I say, yeah, we trained them to do that. You know, they're not really like that. But no, I really say, you know, they're just like that. I mean, they're great people. This is just a great group of people. We don't have to tell them to love you. They just go do that naturally. But people are experiencing that as they come into our midst. They also say, you know, we're amazed at how many people are committed to serving God here. You know, whether it's in the preschool or the nursery or the youth ministry, or leading small groups with the worship team, greeting. I mean, there's just people all over the place that are committed to using their gifts and time to serve God. And then the third area that pops up a lot is people are really impressed with how we're seeking to make a difference around the community and in the world. And different people are out there trying to really live out their faith for God. And I love bragging about our church to my pastor friends and other people because I just think that God is doing some great things through all of you in those areas. So I hope that in the weeks to come you'll open up some of these emails as they come and watch some of these interviews. Be blessed by the things that God is doing. I also want to encourage you to open up the attachment on the financial update for the church. We have some great opportunity to continue the work that God is doing, and we need you to stand with us and partner with us in a significant financial gift at the end of the year here to just continue to change lives for the kingdom of God. And we look forward to all that God has in store for us in this next year to come.